Alright, so here in this video we're going to look at the strength of an elastic material. Strength of an elastic material. So the strength of an elastic material is simply how strong an elastic material is. How strong an elastic material is, right? So the strength of an elastic material is determined by three physical quantities. We have the tensile stress, the tensile strain, and the Young modulus. These three physical quantities help to determine how strong an elastic material is, right? So the strength of an elastic material, or how strong an elastic material is, depends on the tensile stress, it depends on the tensile strain, and it depends on the Young modulus of that elastic material, right? So these are the three physical quantities that helps to determine how strong an elastic material is. So the first one that we have is the tensile stress. So tensile stress is the ratio of force to its cross-sectional area. It is the ratio of force to its cross-sectional area. So tensile stress is equal to force over area, right? It is equal to force over what? Over area, right? Then we have the tensile strain. Tensile strain is the ratio of extension to length, right? It is the ratio of extension to length. So the formula is strain, which is tensile strain, is equal to extension over length, right? It is the ratio of extension to length. Extension to length. So that would be strain is equal to extension all over length. Here, the tensile stress is the ratio of force to its cross-sectional area, right? So that is stress is equal to force all over area. So you must know these two definitions, right? These two physical quantities, their definition and their formula. What is tensile stress? Tensile stress is the ratio of force to its cross-sectional what? Area. So stress is equal to force all over area. You can use this to define it. That tensile stress is equal to force all over area of an elastic material. Finished. Then if I ask you what is tensile strain, you can use the formula to define it. That tensile strain is the ratio of extension to the length of an elastic material, or tensile strain is extension over length of an elastic material. Finished, right? So these two physical quantities you must know, tensile strain and tensile stress, and they help to determine the strength of an elastic material. They help to tell you how strong an elastic material is. So next we are going to look at Young modulus, and we'll continue with this in the next video.